So I'm focusing on succeeding with the market facilitators to SMEs when they want to have an access to foreign markets, especially to Korean market. So there are a platform from where you can get general information to have preliminary information which could be useful to have access to Korean market. There are four major organizations which are first KOTRA, which is a Korean government agency who help SMEs to invest Korea, who wants to invest Korea. So they provide also one-stop services so that they established a separate new entity which is called Invest Korea. So you get information about who Korean company wants to have foreign partners in Korean market as well as in foreign market. And also you have another organization which is called the KITA, Korean International Trade Association, which focus on international trade cooperation matters, so that if you have more orientation to international trade, you can have access to that organization. Another organization is KBITA, which is in charge of development of secondary battery in Korea. In the association, you have LG Chemicals or SK Mobile Energies, Samsung SDI, who are the major three Korean companies in the field of secondary batteries. In addition to that associations, you have other associations in different high technology energy in Korea. So once you get first information from those platforms, you can have another opportunity to have a market access in a very precise way with the help of market facilitators, kind of consulting services. So why they are useful? Because they are very helpful to find your business partner in a very efficient manner, cost-effective manner, so that you can rely on those market facilitators after you get preliminary information from the platform I explained. And when you have a negotiation with the Korean companies, NDA is a must, and also you don't have to under-evaluate the cultural difference as well as difficulties coming from languages. Based on my experiences, a simple discrepancy in understanding of culture may impede the whole progress of the negotiation. The two market facilitators' roles is to help foreign investors to guide them which information could be useful to them. Government market facilitators have a wide range of information, a diverse type of information. However, they are not specific enough to satisfy the needs of foreign investors. So at that stage, you'd better contact private market facilitators to get more specific, punctual information about your potential business partners. I could say as early as possible. However, it involves a cost, so that if you have a preliminary information from the government market facilitators, which is free of charge, so that you can save already the total cost. Based on your information, you can discuss with your potential business partner with private market facilitators. Of course, you can have an approach to private market facilitator from the beginning. Yeah, private market facilitators, so consulting services, is more specialized in specific area of industries. So that if you want very precise information of your potential business partners, I recommend you to rely on private consulting services, so that the private market facilitators rather than government market facilitators. So government market facilitators can give you general information, so that you can already basic information on which information you can rely on. So then you can approach private market facilitators so that you can get more specific advices corresponding to your needs, depending on the nature and your purpose of your business, and according to the industrial sectors you want to pursue. So that's the great advantages of using private market facilitators. It is true that in the beginning you will have to pay for the service fees, but in the long run you can save time and effort, so that you can enter into your business more efficiently, more rapidly, so that finally you can save the cost, so that the professionalism, specificity, and punctuality are the advantages of using private market facilitators in Korea.